Many companies have had to change the way they do business during the pandemic in order to survive.
9 on your sides, VERONICA ACOSTA explains how one Tucson-based company has changed who it caters to, not only to survive, but to help during the pandemic.
We typically see these tents at events, parties, even the Gem Show right here in Tucson. But this year, they've become synonymous with the COVID-19 pandemic.
You have these massive events for corporate companies that you've been planning for years, and they just disappear.
616GC, a Tucson-based company, found itself in a tough situation this year. Initially preparing to provide tents for all kinds of events, to placing its focus on the pandemic.
I'm thinking to myself, wow, what can we do here to help this situation? And immediately I thought of local hospitals.
When the COVID-19 pandemic first ramped up in the U.S. months ago, 616GC began offering up its tents.
We started reaching out to some hospitals, clients of ours.
Soon, the company started getting calls for help from all across the country.
We started getting calls from, national government agencies, FEMA, National Corps of Army Engineers. We then were immediately tasked with dispatching 80,000 square feet to the Seattle area.
At the Mayo Clinic Hospital in Phoenix, the company provided both drive-through testing structures like these and patient care structures. While it's business the company hasn't typically done in the past, it's what's helped keep them afloat so far.
The financial outlook initially was decimating, honestly.
The company has provided both patient care and testing structures to the Army Corps of Engineers and prisons all throughout the country, but they say they can't disclose where exactly those structures are. VERONICA ACOSTA, KGUN 9 on your side.
And with these rising numbers, restaurants across Tucson are gearing up for another possible shutdown, but one local owner says he's not as nervous this time around.
Plus, leaders are warning symptom screeners for COVID testing is actually causing more cases to spread. Marine recruits help discover this trend. We'll talk about that after the break.